It's time to make profits with crypto arbitrage trading, and the aim of this video is for us to double or target to 1,000 USDTs. It is a challenge. We started with 100 USDTs and we are at 306, all made with crypto arbitrage trading. So I'll give you a simple term or a simple explanation of crypto arbitrage trading. It's only buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform, but you can choose to use arbitrage bots. Instead of buying and selling manually, you can use arbitrage bots and make good profits. So click the link in my bio. Make sure you join the free classes that is on Telegram, and you can watch these full videos because some are being cut by TikTok to 3 minutes, but if you are watching on YouTube, you watch it to the end. So we start arbitrage trading with arbitrage bots, and make sure you have a ranquilly.com account. That's where you sell your assets at a higher price or you get arbitrage bots. So you need to fund it to unlock your arbitrage bots, and as you can see, I'm holding 329,000 USDTs right now. So that means my arbitrage bots are unlocked. So just come on my dashboard, then I click on arbitrage bots, and you can see there are some bots. I like trading with this Flash arbitrage pro bot. This one, you can see it, and it is trading between Binance and Kraken. It can't be arbitrage if it is trading between one exchange. So I'll explain how it works. The pairs, it is BTC and Ethereum. So it buys on BTC, sells on Ethereum, sometimes buys on Ethereum and sells on BTC. And I love this bot because it has maintained the shortest time possible, that is 10 minutes. And expected profit margin is 134 and loss margin is 61. So to get your profit rate, you take expected profit margin minus maximum risk. If it is positive, you are running on profit, but if it is on negative, you avoid that bot. And the minimum capital of this is 300 USDTs, and as I promised, what we have in Binance is what we'll be trading with, that amount. So I'll just enter 300 and deploy my bot. It has got not so many stories. All you need is a good capital and a good timing. Sometimes you can get the bots all are running on losses, and as I told you, in arbitrage trading bots, if you start with a profit, you will end in a profit. Entry point matters, and if you start with a loss, you'll end up in a loss. You can see a bot like this one will be expecting 218 USDTs in profits. So I won't make a withdrawal in this video. I made in the previous one, and I gonna make another video that is we are trading now, receiving in our external wallet. You can also trade arbitrage in Ranquilly, but the merchant sends the profits direct to your Binance account. I don't think you can miss that video, so make sure you watch all my videos and you follow me for more arbitrage opportunities. So this is a profit of 218. Our total payout will be 518 USDTs. So that's how people are making profits with crypto arbitrage trading that you shouldn't miss. Start now, learn and earn.